Hi, it's Wendy from the Barrington Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make cardboard disc friendship bracelets. They're really neat. They come out great, but it's also just a really nice activity to do. Sort of like when you're sitting around hanging out with your friends, you can still work on something and not have to concentrate too hard, and it's fun. It's like finger knitting or something. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First I'm going to tell you what you'll get in your kit. You'll get a little piece of cardboard with a circle drawn on it, and you'll get 7 strings of colored cotton yarn. It's 7, 2, 2, and 3 of 3 different colors. So it's pretty basic colors, but they go together really well. So I'm going to show you how we'll be doing this today. So first of all, for your disc, you're going to need to cut this disc out. In a circle. Keep it in a circle if you can. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect cutting. I'm not a great cutter, but cut this circle out, and there we go. So with this circle, we're going to mark it like at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock and 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So that's 4 dots, and then 1 in between. So we're going to have actually 8 places and a dot pretty much where you think the middle is. Okay, and then I want you on that dot in the middle to take your pencil and shove it through, because you're going to need an opening. There we go. Most of the way through there. There we go. And then where those dots were, I want you to cut into your disc about a 1/2 inch. All 8 of them. And go right around. There we go. And you're going to get your 7 pieces of yarn. You need to knot one end. They're going to be about 1 yard long each. This one is shorter because it's just for an example for tonight, but they're pretty long strings, about 1 yard each. Pull those all the way through and knot it. And then on your other end, put those ends through this hole and out the other side. There we go. There we are. So, and then I want you to just separate your strings. It doesn't have to be in any kind of order. And then put 1 string down each line, each little cut. And we have 7 strings, and we have 8 cut slits, so there will be 1 empty. All right, so what here I'm seeing is that I have 2 green, 2 blue, and 3 black. And it's pretty good. I think the black will make the green and the blue colors really pop. So put them all down. Now I will say, when your strings are long at the very beginning, it can get a little knotted, so take your time. But when you're holding your disc, you'll have the empty one, and count back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Remove that string and put it in the empty one now. Now turn your disc, and I'll pull my string through. I have my empty. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull this through. Don't do it very tight. I did mine when I first started really tight, and it took a long time to get started. So empty. 1, 2, 3. So you just keep going around and around and around. 1, 2, 3. And as you go, you'll on the other end pull your little knot down. It kind of pulls it back, and you'll start to see 1, 2, 3. Oops, I'm starting to get knotted. So I'm going to pull my strings through. 1, 2, 3. So see, it didn't matter that those 3 blacks were near each other, because when I go back again, the next one that goes down is green. So it's mixing the colors as they go. It's really a nice random pattern. But this will give you a really nice, substantial feeling friendship bracelet. Oh, got to pull those down. Let's tug it from the other side. And you just go on and on like this. So 1, 2, 3, and keep going. And occasionally tug it from the other side to snug it up. So I'm going to show you, I did one, oh, I don't know, for about 5 minutes, I guess. And this is the pattern that will come out, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of random, like I said, but see how substantial it is? It's a nice corded kind of bracelet. And so you will just keep going on and on and on until you're done. At the end of your bracelet, that's what you will do, is just snip them off and then pull every line up. There we go. And pull them through that, oops, forgot the black one. Pull it through the hole. And then you would take half of your strings on one, well, it'll be 3 on one side, 4 on the other, and just tie it off. There we go. And then when you're getting ready to tie it one more time, this could be when you put it around your wrist and snug it there, but put the little knot through. So you'll probably have to have a family member or a friend help you put your little knot through and then tie it off again. So imagine that this was a big bracelet, but that's what you would end up doing, and tie it through and trim your cords at the end. Whoops. So there we go. And then trim these off. And some people really like those long cords hanging off their wrists, so it's okay. It's just a look. But imagine if that were all the way around your wrist. It's pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed that. I think this is one of my favorite crafts for the summer. I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you do too. Thanks. Bye-bye.